I mean, whatever she said, later she had to subtract and actually admit that she didn't tell the truth from the beginning. The same situation came with the other two witnesses at the end of the week, yesterday and today. Uh, Ramsamy, Advocate Ramsamy, and Mr. Rapezu today. Uh, and I don't know. I think it's still all allegations, as I always say, but I think it's quite damaging. But it tells us a story of. I think there was in this whole story from the beginning of the Madlanga Commission and also the committee in Cape Town, the ad hoc committee. It tells us that there's different factions and that there is all kinds of schemes to neutralize the others. I mean, here was clearly the whole thing about crime intelligence, the arrest of General Khumalo, Lekala Kala, and a whole group of other senior officers. Actually, the whole top structure of the crime intelligence. That was clearly a plan to get to the political killing stars team and to destroy the top structure of CI so that somebody else, which will be more favorable towards maybe organized crime, should get into the top structure. And ILAC played a role here.